Tell us more about your relationship with God. Like, do you pray every day? You read Quran? What kind of things do you do in terms of Islam?
Alhamdulillah, I pray every day. It makes, I always, when I was a kid, my brother said to me, like, that makes different Muslim as not Muslim, when you pray 5 times a day. Since that time, I prayed every day, alhamdulillah. So, I don't say, like, want to say I'm the best Muslim and so because I'm has like all of people, all of us, like happen like wrong things and try to make it better. So
Khamzat, put the mic a bit closer.
Yeah. Alhamdulillah, we're trying to Ramadan, like fasting and 5 days praying and listening like the imams was like translate. I can't read the Quran. I listen who translate the Quran to me, and I watching a lot of videos and a lot of good imams, listening to them, go on mosque as well.
Do you listen to any particular speakers?
Yeah, like Islamic as well.
Oh, you listen to him?
Yeah, listen to him. And like we was in back home in Chechnya, different, so listen to them as well.
That's very good. Do you think that, you know, when you're a Muslim, obviously you believe in God, you believe in there's a higher power, you believe God has the plan, all of these things we have, as you know, tawakkul, the idea of tawakkul, reliance on God. These are key Islamic principles. Do you think that helps you when you're fighting?
Of course, when you believe in Allah, it makes you stronger than people. When you believe in nothing, it's you alone in the world. When you have so much power, when you in your heart, when you believe in Allah, it's always been Allah been helping you everywhere. When you get the bad times, alhamdulillah, it makes me out from everywhere. I've been living in the gym, didn't have a food, didn't have a money. Alhamdulillah, where I am today, you know. So he makes me the people I am today. So I'm grateful for that. So Allah being always with us, you know. So he makes me much stronger people when I thinking about him. So nothing can make us scared, you know, when Allah with us.
Can I ask you a question? You're 29 years old now, right?
Yes.
Usually the fighter finishes at, let's say, retires at 40 or something like that. I don't know, maybe in your division it's less or more, I don't know, right? But have you thought about what you're going to do after fighting?
Yes, of course. So I started 23. I'm being first time in the gym. So now I'm 29. So you see all these fights, everything. So I have my family, my husband. So inshallah, trying to do better things for the kids and make them choose the better way, a good way. Don't do the wrong things. Teach them, train, be hard, and so I'm gonna try to teach me as well. So read Quran as well.